Yes. Take it. Sunanda Sahu.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
Sunanda, madam, uh, why you wrote B.Tech at the end, not in plus against plus 3? It is a graduation, na?
ग्रेजुएशन सर।
It is a graduation course. Okay. Electronics and electrical and electronics engineering. Was it the only subject? Most of the students are coming with the background of electronics and
No sir, it is all the branches are eligible.
you are Accenture Kolkata में associate software engineer.
Yes sir.
You are now working.
No sir, I was working after completion
you
of.
are not taken mention the
Yes sir. Actually, now I
senior
can't recall.
executive 1.6 years from 14.
Yes sir. In an NGO, Shamta Foundation in Rourkela. It was in Rourkela.
You left your software business in established corporate sector to join in an NGO.
Yes sir.
Why?
Sir, in Accenture I learned a lot about the corporate culture.
You know,
But after that,
you don't need more further.
after that I thought that I'm a person that I want to always want to work in grassroots level. So that time I joined an NGO and this opportunity came. So
this aspiration has been completed, or you want to continue there in that NGO furthermore period?
sir, I left that NGO
You
and
have left.
now I wanted to join government service in Odisha government, sir.
When you left your last job?
Sir, in 2020.
Since
20
then-
October.
Since then you are not doing
Since then, 2023, I was doing home tuitions, and after that, I got married in 2023. Then I took short break. Then this examination notification came. Then I prepared for it. Sir.
Is it your first interview?
Yes, sir. First interview in office.
You know the job profile of this post?
Sir, a little
What you are
bit not.
supposed to do after being selected?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is job profile under MSME department, and we as an AIO post, if I'll selected, then I'll be work to promote industry in block, and will be
Do you
under
have- do you have
director
any
of.
background knowledge about how to push people to industrial line?
Yes, sir.
Work for
I
industry.
I have already worked in community engagement in my NGO time. So there,
That is a vast field. Everything community mobilization in different channels for different things.
yes, sir.
But here your job is specific.
Yes, sir.
You have to make people ready for taking up entrepreneurship.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can do that because I have that convincing power, and I can always see the positive side, and I will make them aware about the benefits and how they can self-employ themselves, mainly women, about women empowerment. So
Many areas where people traditionally were engaging themselves in doing things now have been termed as the industry.
yes, sir.
They
Sir,
are coming under
choir
different types.
industry. Yes,
They
sir.
are coming under different types of industry,
Yes, sir.
which people were doing in their respective areas, or village or house or anything.
Yes, sir.
Those are coming under industry.
Yes, sir.
So, if we attract them, if we influence them or pursue them to take up that job, what sort of incentive or assistance they will get
Yes, sir.
being an industrialist or entrepreneur?
Yes, sir. Sir, government is providing in center also, in center and state, government is providing various subsidies, and ITCO is guiding them through that. Um, and
ITCO
many,
job is specific.
yes sir.
What is that?
About ITCO, I'll say, or
No, ITCO,
yes, sir.
ITCO job is just a specific.
establishment to establish the industry, it provides the infrastructure, what I know. And so various schemes like Mudra scheme, by Mudra scheme they can get the loan, and after that this in director of industries, district industries officers, they can.
Suppose a lady comes to you to seek your advice to take up some work, or I mean startup, to start a startup.
Sir.
What will be your approach towards her?
Sir, first I will know her situation, and after that I'll find the local resource available for her in her village, and after that I'll link the schemes and benefits what the government is providing regarding that entrepreneurship. Then I'll try to explain her about all the bank linkages and financial assistance and loan, and about the
Everything is done.
Yes sir.
What you told, everything is done.
Yes sir.
Suppose she starts something and start producing something.
Yes sir.
What will happen to those products?
Sir, I'll provide the market linkage, that
There is no
scheme, sir.
demand. There is no demand in that local area or even a nearby area for that specific product.
Okay, sir. Sir, ENAM website is there. So, ENAM website is there for that. And in cities, many textile, and if that product is of textile and which product is that, I get to know that, then I'll provide that linkage through online websites are also there. So people are very much
Different
attracted.
digital platforms are there.
Yes, sir. Digital platforms, sir.
But for that purpose, the quality of job on a work, the quality of that product must be competitive.
Yes, sir.
Its price must be competitive.
Yes.
Its branding, its all this, everything must be of good quality. Otherwise, people won't go for that. It must be price competitive, quality competitive, must be good quality. How you will address those things?
So for that polishing and all the finishing like product, because everyone wants that kind of product if they are investing
Don't
money.
you think that she should undergo some
Skill
training?
training.
Skill
Yes.
training.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
What are the skill centers available in your state at present? What type of skills are imparted? Unemployed youth.
Sir, in Sambalpur for this Sambalpuri
You are
dress
staying
and
at Sambalpur.
No sir, now I am staying in, actually I am from Rourkela. Now I am staying in Bhubaneswar only.
There is a great skills and training center
Yes
in
sir.
Bhubaneswar. Have you been? Do you know it?
Skill center. No sir, I am not aware.
You are a completed BTech in electronics. Sunanda madam,
Yes sir.
your native place where?
Sir, from Rourkela, Sundargarh district.
Sundargarh district. Rourkela. You have experience in Accenture, Kolkata.
Yes sir.
Which software? Whose software got you certain?
Sir, ASP.NET sir.
.NET Repo. Now you are 1 year, more than 1 year. एनजीओ
Yes, sir. NGO.
सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव सेठी जॉब प्रोफाइल कौन थला एनजीओ रे
Sir, my job profile was actually I was working on a cropping software, and also I was giving training to the field officers, and I was involved in community engagement. That cropping software is actually to provide smart technology to the farm. Actually, we are in that NGO that is doing silage production. So by that we are providing livelihood, sustainable livelihood to the nearby tribal people. Mainly we are working for the tribals.
Okay.
suppose you were selected after selection your AIO
Yes, sir.
suppose you joined Raigad site
Yes, sir.
previous experience say you have a NGO
Yes, sir.
ए होला पर तापर रायगढ़ का जो पीपुल अछंती समान तो टिके ट्राइबल पीपुल
Yes.
तांका पई आपण कोन करबे बट चैलेंजेस
सर ट्राइबल पीपल के भाई फर्स्ट चैलेंजेस होची गैप ऑफ स्किल सेट जहाँ भी से माने करिवे तांको स्किल प्रोवाइड करिया पड़िबा
समान तो किछ जानि नथिबे
यस सर
जानते
जान नथिबे
एनीथिंग टू अबाउट द व्हाट इज द इंडस्ट्री व्हाट इज द तांको पुनी केमती
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तांको सेमानक लेवल को जाई कि तांकर जहाँ भी से माने करि आस्थुबे आगुरु सेही प्रति
भाबो कोन करथिले समान प्राय कोन मिलथियो से रॉ मटेरियल रायगढ़ साइड
सर रायगढ़
the
I don't have that.
forest area
फॉरेस्ट एरिया
means
यस सर केंदू लीव्स
in the leaves
यस
in the leaves the color सरकार ये करती मना करती
I was not aware of this thing also.
ताको केमती इंडस्ट्री पार्ट को है
सर से प्रोडक्ट जो जहाँ भी से मैंने I didn't know about Mahuli, but is this thing, sir.
हम अपन जेहेतु एनजीओ रे काम करछन
Yes, sir. Some
केवी एरिया रे काम करथे
sir.
केवी एरिया रे केवी काम करथे जो गोटा ट्राइबल पीपल
Tribal, yes, sir. Villages.
विलेज
In villages, yes.
ए ऊपर अपन सेठी काम करबे
Yes,
ताको केमिति तांकर
सर villages रे से माने मु जहाँ भाबुची कि से माने एग्रीकल्चर रे बेसी इन्वॉल्व थिबे.
हां तापर
So-
एग्रीकल्चर अछि एग्रीकल्चर धर से करछन
Yes, sir.
ताकि अपार्ट चेंज करबे अपन इंडस्ट्री
एग्रीकल्चर रे सर जेमती आमे राइस स्वीट सेमती करूछु बट तार कैश क्रॉप भी अछि लाइक कॉटन एंड कॉटन जोटा इंडस्ट्री रॉ मटेरियल तो सेथरे से माने सेही प्रोडक्शन रे यूज होई परिबे जेमती साइलेज इज अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट फॉर डेयरी इंडस्ट्री सो सेथरे से मन को इन्वॉल्व कराई जाई परिबो एंड मोर सर से बड़े एते नॉलेज नथिला एग्रीकल्चर ऊपर बट मु भी से साइलेज प्रोडक्शन रो ये को बुझी पारली से तो सेति पई से माने ऑलरेडी एग्रीकल्चर करि आस्थुबे सो से माने को से एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड जिंस रे जदी स्किल दिया ही परिबो
अपन तो ए होबे असिस्टेंट इंडस्ट्री अफसर
सर
तो एग्रीकल्चर को जीवे
सर इंडस्ट्री ऑफिसर माने प्रमोट करिवे ना जहाँ भी लोकली
प्रमोट इंडस्ट्री को करबे अपन तब कन्वर्ट इंडस्ट्री करबे
सर
एग्रीकल्चर अच्छे ताको कन्वर्ट करबा इंडस्ट्री कोन चैलेंजेस सिवा अपन पय अपन ताका पय कोन करबे जेतु अपन एनजीओ रे ऑलरेडी
सेठी मौका बहुत मिलुची
मौका यस सर
आमे केमिति ताको गोटे वैल्यूएशन करके इंडस्ट्री को टर्न करबे
सर जदि सेठी मौका मिलुची देन एबे फ्रोजन कॉर्न रो पैकेट ही की सेटा बहुत इंडस्ट्री
हनी भी मिलुची
हनी मिलुची तार वाइल्ड हनी एबे जंती हनी रो भी वाइल्ड हनी को
Preservative
बहुत
कर-
प्रिजर्वेटिव करके तार पैकेजिंग एंड ऑल बहुत भलो करके ताकू प्रोवाइड इंडस्ट्री रे करा जाई परची
ताको केम पैकिंग करबा ताको
Yes.
मांडियार भी बहुत
यस सर मांडिया मिलेट्स इज नाउ ओडिशा भी सेतरे बहुत
नहीं सेमानको से तांकर लोकल अवेलेबल ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल
Yes.
आउ मार्केटिंग नियर बाय एरिया ताकू स्टडी करिकि ताकू
Yes.
करिवार अछि
यस सर
इकोनॉमिक स्टैंडर्ड तांका डेवलप हो
यस सर
सर
सुनंदा
सर
Should girls be employed?
Yes, sir. Girls should definitely be employed.
Justify.
Um,
Case को
sir,
level.
sir, girls can do both the work
Boys can do.
Yes, sir. Boys can also do.
Say something that will be valid.
Sir, many examples are there. Like,
You say about yourself or
Sir.
what you think. I said girls should not be employed. Study is all right. पाठ पढ़िबा ठीक अछि.
okay, sir. Sir, I have employed for this 2.5 years, and I have worked for my
ମୁଁ ତ ମନା
job
କରୁଛି.
and.
ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁଛି. Girls should not be employed.
Sir, I think girls, their education is there, and
Ah,
if girls is
exactly.
employed, their whole family can be.
Girls is educated. Then
Yes,
the
sir.
whole family is well.
Yes, but if
When
any.
a girl is
if-
employed, all disturbances start.
No, sir, that depends on
Social
the
fabric
person.
is torn. पहले तो मैं सास ससुर के पास नहीं रहूँगा.
No, sir, it depends on the person actually, that how she is from inside. Even if
90% cases. More men are committing suicide.
वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस केମିତି କରିପାରିବ?
More women are committing suicide.
yes, sir. Sir, women.
More men.
Men. Sir, women.
Tortured.
Sir, women को ସେଇଟା ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. If men ବହୁତ unfortunate case ବି ହେଉଛି ଯୋଉଥିରେ sir men are not husband କି କର death ବି ହେଇଯାଉଛି. So at that time they'll like.
So ଆଗରୁ ହଉନଥିଲା ଏବେ ହେଉଛି. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ?
Sir, na.
Rural industry.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the necessity?
Sir, I would say first issue is migration. So through rural industry, migration can be reduced to the cities, and basic amenities can be provided to the rural people, and all the other things like hospital and education can also be developed if a good industry is established in rural area or village.
Types of rural industry. Types of industry.
So types of industry, I would say 3 category mainly: primary sector and secondary sector and tertiary
Where a
sector.
PIO can focus. Primary or secondary or tertiary. Where
sir,
an AIO can focus in rural area where you will be posted in a block.
Sir, I would say mainly primary sector.
Primary.
Yes, sir.
Production.
Agriculture production.
Go on.
Yes, sir.
What is your focus? More production. धान सारा पका बेसी धान करो ना कौन?
Sir, if no sir, primary and secondary sector also means.
गोटे कहबो ना कोटा where is your focus?
Sir, primary sector, in primary sector you can focus on good product yield and quality product production.
देखियो देखिए क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट प्रोडक्शन ना नहीं. AIO कौन करेगा? How many types of pollution?
Pardon sir, I couldn't.
How many types of pollution?
Pollution, sir, air pollution and water pollution is there, and noise pollution is there. That's all I could remember.
How water is polluted?
Water is polluted through sewages and contamination. When various wastage is put in river and water bodies.
What is your idea about waste management in rural industries?
Sir,
Do they do it? How many industries you have seen? Have you ever thought of?
sir, I haven't gone to any
No idea.
industry.
Acha. NGOs
Yes, sir.
are much talked about today across the country
Yes, sir.
for negative what do you say? Impact.
Yes, sir. That is also true because negative impact is also there, but every coin has two sides. So positive
So
impact
you
is
can
also.
go against the country.
No, sir, I will not go against the country, but sir,
You can
if-
take money from George Soros. You can generate fake news. You can agitate rallies and strikes. You can block developmental programs.
so some NGOs are also there who is working towards the
Some
goal.
today it is a talked about thing in the country.
Sir, we can
FRAs are cancelled.
sir, you can regularize them like FCRA Act is now.
AIO madam को मीडिया किसी कमरे से
Yes, sir.
कौन
To promote any kind of industrial product there, if in local area, if anything is hugely available, so to promote that thing, to promote any scheme, government scheme, to engage the community.
मीडिया कौन कमरे से गणमाध्यम कौन कमरे से सोशल मीडिया कौन कमरे से
Sir, social media रे case study provide करि परिबा.
सोशल मीडिया टा केस स्टडी प्रोवाइड करियो
सर जेमती किछि भी जदि होची
को ब्लॉक रो आछन को जिल्ला रो
से सुंदरगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
सुंदरगढ़ रे जदी आपन को देयर इज नो डेप्थ ऑफ मनी जते पैसा मागियो दिया जाओ व्हाट इंडस्ट्री विल सेट अप तुम गाँ तुम ब्लॉक तुम जिल्ला रे you are the authority पैसों की कोई कमी नहीं
सर
एनी आइडिया
सर कौन इंडस्ट्री को
सुनंदा कौन करेगा
सर सुंदरगढ़ रे ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन बहुत
सुनंदा कौन करेगा कौन व्हाट इंडस्ट्री जदि पैसार किछ अभाव जेते मागियो से दिया जाओ
सर
नो आइडिया
सर मु
केवल
गोटरी
भाभी
कर
केवल भाभी तो
ना भाभी तो नहीं सर
बस हम तो ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି ତୁମେ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଚାକିରି କରିବ କେବେ ଭାବିବନି ଏଇଠି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିକି ଲକ୍ଷ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଏବେ ପାଇଲି ଏଇ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଗୁଡ଼ା ପଚାରୁଛି ତୁମେ ଦେଖିଛ ନା ଦେଖିନ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ଆକର୍ଡିଂଲି
यस
ଓକେ
Yes.
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ରୁରାଲ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମାରିଲି
यस
ସେ ମୋତେ 100ଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଉଛି ଆହୁରି ଦେଉଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଦୁଇ ଚାରିଟା ଟିପିକି ତୁମକୁ ପଚାରୁଥିଲି
यस सर
What about sound pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, radioactive pollution, thermal pollution?
यस सर
ना सारा ज्ञान तो होना चाहिए ना, right?
Sure.
How NGOs are different from government?
सर NGO is non-profitable organization
I'm
and
knowledge. I have worked with n number of NGOs across the state.
सर
प्रधान को आरंभ करके जितने अच्छे समन्वित आरंभ करे all I have worked with them. I know. यार जान न तो तक
सर
ready are you prepared किला?
सर
Good luck.
थैंक यू सर.